Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install MoneyWiz 2025 on your Mac. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So, first of all, open your Safari or any web browser on your Mac. So, I'm gonna open the Safari app from my Mac. Now, normally you have to search on the search bar MoneyWiz 2025. And now you have to choose this website. Normally click on it. And from the home page, click on this download button. And now click on this download on the App Store. Now normally click on this get button. And again this install button. Now provide your Touch ID or password to get it access to download. And here you can see that the file is downloading. After downloading the app, click on this open button and you will see an interface of the app right now. Normally you can now create an account or sign in with your existing account and enjoy the MoneyWiz 2025. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.